better. And now, the Ouchy Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird named Louis was flying out, when all of a sudden he bent over to get a delicious worm, and then he hurt his back. What could he do? He couldn't fly, he couldn't stand up, he didn't even get the worm, and along came a fairy princess.
That's right, Junior. Do you know there have been many American flags? Betsy Ross sewed the first one, and it had just 13 stars, one for each of the colonies. As more states joined the Union, more stars were added. Now we have 50 stars, one for each state in the Union, and 13 stripes, one for each of the original colonies.
You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave. You're the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave. Heart beats true 'neath the red, white, and blue, with as ever a coast or brag. Should old acquaintance be forgot, keep your eye on the grand old flag. The grand old flag.
Woohoo! Go, Kristen!
And together, they danced happily ever after.